Hello boys and girls, my name is Beck in Black, and in one of your first lessons, I think Kanoa taught you this. It's just throwing the ball and catching it in your other hand. And he told you to practice with your left hand and also your right hand. You want to get them as good as possible. Now, after you master that one, you can add your second ball. And what that is where you just throw it up, throw it, and catch it. Now, when you throw this ball, and right about there, you want to throw this ball. Okay, guys? So it looks just like that. Keep doing that, starting, and you want to start with your left hand as well. Left hand, right hand. That's all you need. And that will build you into 3 balls if you get that perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Beck in Black. We're the Junkyard Jugglers, part of Hiccup Circus. Thank you.